Good morning, everyone. I am Alexandra Dominic Sanchez, and most of you and almost all of you call me by my nickname, Lexi. But what makes Lexi or Alexandra Dominic unique? Because my nickname is unique. Yes, my nickname is unique, but you spell unique with Y-O-O-N-I-K. That is my nickname, and that's what my family and my relatives call me. So where did unique come from? My mom told me a story when I was born. So my mom went into labor, and when she was giving birth through cesarean, because I am a big girl, and when my mom was still pregnant of me, her friends think that she is carrying twins because her tummy is so big. So when she gave birth to me, I weighed 9.4 pounds. And when I was put into the nursery, my dad came there and saw the other parents that they were not looking at their own babies, but instead they were looking at me because they compared me as a 3-month-old baby to the newborn babies. And because of my name, Alexandra Dominic, they got the word Nick. And my grandfather said that I am his unika ina, so that's why they named me Unique. But I beg you classmates, don't call me Unique, just call me Lexi. And that's all, thank you.